Alright, so here, as you can tell, is our midterm project for CS10 Fall 2011. Woo! And yeah, this is done by Matt, Jack, and Maverick from IJA's Monday, Friday 1 to 3 lab class. And as you can tell, we put a lot of work into this. See all this code? Yeah. And this is basically a music program, if you haven't been able to tell. And we're just gonna start it up now. First, of course, you click the green flag. I'd recommend you do that to start everything off.
Start off with instructions. As you can tell, Alonzo is asking for your name, so you just type your name. And hi, my name is Jack. And yes, Alonzo is quite personal and will teach you all the music notes. And so you can watch while you actually learn some music.
All right, yeah. So you guys can play with the instructions on your own. It'll basically go through all the notes and show you how they're displayed on this staff right here and this treble clef. And yeah, basically you'll learn the fundamentals of music. And we can hit the stop button and the green flag again. I'd recommend you do that before you go on to hit one of these other buttons. But yeah, so there's the instructions. And we'll also go through what's on the screen right now. Besides the 3 buttons, I told you about the staff right here. And then one of the most interesting things about this program is the keyboard right here, piano. And there are corresponding numbers and letters on it, which if you click those numbers and letters on your keyboard, it'll light up and play the corresponding notes. So yeah, it's a pretty neat thing, and it'll be very integral for this program. And yeah, it's really good for for students or educators who want to educate students who aren't able to purchase their own instruments, or just simply have like a public computer or a public library that they can use. And yeah, it's just a great program for that. Anyway, we'll go on to the majors button, which goes through all 12 major scales.
Starting. Starts teaching you the C major, the most basic one, and after that Alonzo would ask you to play it, so let's try to play it.
And it'll play it back, check if you're right.
And if you're right, Alonzo would say, good job, and you can move on to the next major. Okay, so now it's your turn again, and
Oh, yeah, and basically it'll go through all the 12 major scales, and pretty much these scales are like the most important part of music. I mean, if you learn these scales, which you can through this program, you can pretty much play anything that music has to throw at you in terms of rhythms, just any sort of dynamics, anything. So, yeah, we'll definitely get to that. And then now we can, okay, yeah.
Alright, so now that you've seen the instructions and you know more or less the 12 major scales, you're wondering, okay, what am I going to do with all this knowledge? Well, here's the fun part about our program. We also installed a special sandbox mode, and if you click it, then now you are able to compose your own music using the notes you just learned and the majors as well.
So yeah, basically Alonzo, the lovely Alonzo, is explaining how this works, but I will explain it for you guys. Basically, you can compose your own songs with this program, and as you play notes, it'll be recorded by its actual note and the note length in this program. And as you can see, this green triangle is a play button. So once you're finished composing your song, you can play it back. And then this set of note lengths, you can click before you hit a note, and it'll play that note for that length and record it as being that length. And they go in decreasing order, divided by 2. So this note length is half of that one, and yeah, basically like that. And then the most interesting part of sandbox mode is the fact that you can play multiple songs or multiple keys at once. And that's basically what the list 1 and list 2 buttons are for. If you click list 1 and you play a song through that, you can click list 2 later, and then play another song, or a harmony of that song, or a dissonance of that song, whatever you possibly want for that song to be. And
It'll
have
play
harmony too. It'll
concurrently,
play it.
yes.
So
Let's try it.
let's try it. Oh, and then this is the clear button right here, in case you want to start over. So let's demo this. Okay, okay.
So this is the C major, and it is stored into the list 1, and let's click list 2 and add something. What should I add? Let's do a higher octave. And you can adjust the octaves by the left arrow button and right arrow buttons on your keyboard. So I click the right arrow button, and let's play. As you're in here, it's still the C major, it's just a higher octave. Let's try play and see what happened.
So yeah, there's the program. I hope you guys enjoy it. And in case you have any questions or comments or want to leave some feedback, definitely leave some comments at this YouTube link, and we'll definitely try to get back to you. Hope you enjoy this program, and see you guys later. Thanks for watching.